How to delete OnlyFans account permanently. Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your OnlyFans account permanently. To delete your account, first sign in to onlyfans.com. After that, on the left panel, go to the more. Now click on settings. Now on the right side, click on account and then scroll down and go to the bottom, and then here you will see account management. Click on delete account. This will permanently delete your account. Now you need to fill out this captcha, so you will find this here. If you don't recognize this captcha, then you can reload the code. After that, on the right side, click on delete account, and then it will ask you, are you sure? Yes, delete. And there you go. And that's how you can delete OnlyFans account permanently. If you found this video help you, please consider to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.